The price of one Avalanche/Avax coin right now is $31.23. It has lost 7% in the past 24 hours. The price of Avax ended higher than it started 50.4% of the time. INR base, the highest price for one Avax was $135.86 2 years and 5 months ago. The price is now minus 77.01% lower than that high point. Out of 17 technical indicators, only 2 say to buy and 12 say to sell. This means that short-term predictions are bearish based on technical price research. Avax faces its first big uptrend resistance at $31.67. It needs to close above that level in order to keep going up. Support at the bottom is at $27.69. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $27.69. If it can close above $31.67, on the other hand, it can go up to $35.55, which is the next level of support. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is at 43.20, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is at 31.73, which also shows that the market is acting normally. Avalanche had 2 bull runs. The first one started in September 2020 and ended in September 2021. Avalanche hit an all-time high of $16.57 soon after. However, the price dropped to its lowest point of $2.94 just 100.04 days later. Before the next bull run, it took about a year from September 2020 to reach a new all-time high. It's been 892 days since the last bull run in November 2021. It took 422 days for Avax to hit a new all-time high the last time. Daily Avalanche price for the short term. What I think will happen this and next week. 02 Thursday, May 2024, $35.81, 03 $35.51, 04 on May 4, 2024, Saturday, May 20th, 2024, $34.81, $34.71 on Sun May 2024 Monday, May 20th, 2024, $35.18, 07 Tuesday, May 8th, 2024. $34.87 Wednesday, May 9th, 2024, $34.48 May 4th, 2024, $34.45 10 May 11th, 2024, Friday $34.14 May 11th, 2024, Saturday $33.48.